It's your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and welcome back to the channel. Over here, we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. Today, we're going to do some journaling, and as I was looking around the house to see, did I have any journaling books, because I've finished the two recent journaling books that I have. One is Becoming Me, 10 Ways to Affirm Yourself, and I'll link it in the description box below so you can grab a copy of it, as well as there's a card where I did one of the journaling prompts with you all, so I'll list that video up above. I also did a guided workbook to empower women by JD Inspo. Again, that particular book will be linked in the description box below, and I'll also include in the cards up above a video where I shared one of the prompts with you all. So as I was saying earlier, I was like, Yolanda, do you need to go get a new journaling book? It really helps me with my mindset. It helps me with getting into the spirit of things. And then I thought, wait, I have one of the best journaling books that you can have, at least in my opinion. Don't come from me. In my opinion, it's the best journaling book that you can have, and that is actually the Bible. So today, I'm going to be using a scripture to prompt my journaling. Now, if you're here in the US, you know that this is that time of year where we're celebrating Thanksgiving, where we're giving thanks for things that we have, our family, our friends. And so I thought that I would use one of the scriptures that is familiar to me, where it talks about giving thanks, and then to journal on that. Now, this wouldn't be a Forever Londa video where we're talking about planning, notebooking, journaling if I did not at least decorate first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a time lapse of me decorating the video. I may come back and do some voiceover. I'm not quite sure, but if this is something that you think you're interested in, stick around. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and take my covered planner, which I unboxed in a video as made by a small black business, and I'll be sure to include them in the description box below. I got these journaling stickers. They're very antique-y from Amazon, and I'll link those below. I really like them. It was a pack of about 40 or so stickers in various sizes. So here I am, and just kind of laying down, being thankful. So I'm going through this particular scripture that I had highlighted previously, just underlining what I should be thankful for. And now, I don't know about you all, but I really like pen to paper. It reinforces what I've read, what I've highlighted, what I've outlined. And so I really thought it was important for me to write again that I should give thanks. So this is just me taking the opportunity to journal why I should be thankful, and to also give thanks. There's something about the written word that's very powerful to me. So I do like to write down my thoughts and to really allow myself to live with those thoughts. Be thankful, everyone. So again, this is your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Londa, and here we just really wanted to give thanks for all that God has done in, at least in my life. 2021 and 2020 have been very difficult years. I have lost loved ones during this time due to the pandemic, and I've also lost loved ones, and because of the pandemic was unable to be there with them. So it really has hit hard, the things that we have gone through. But also, as I sit back and I reflect, I think about the things that I have been brought through. So, although I've experienced loss, I've also experienced gains. I've also experienced blessings. And so, with all of that being said, I just want to thank God, as the First Chronicles 16:34 says, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He's good, for His mercy endureth forever." And for that, I will be forever grateful to Him. Again, thank you all so much for joining me with this journaling activity. And tell me in the description box below, what are some of the things that you are thankful for? Share with me what you are thankful for on today and for these past several weeks. And I just want to say, on that thankful note, at the time that I am actually recording this video, I have not yet reached the 200 subscribers, but I am very, very, very close. And for that, I'm thankful for each of you who heard me ask you to subscribe to help me get to 200 subscribers. And I'm thankful that you all have subscribed to the channel. And I want you all to know that I will be participating in Vlogmas this year. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified of when videos drop. And also, if you haven't already and you just, by the way, you subscribe, you just found this channel, go ahead, subscribe. Come on, right there. It's one of these ways, right? But I would like to encourage you to subscribe. We do actually have fun here, and we do different things. And this is your girl Yolanda over here at Forever Yolanda, and over here we do all things planning. We do lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and we do a little cooking. And thank you all so much for joining me on today. Bye bye now. See you later.